wala tayong RA at Mitch. I am talking about their parents. Please stand up to be recognized. The parents of RA, Mr. and Mrs. Roberto and Melinda Cañonero. And the parents of our bride, the loving and supportive parents, Mr. Salvador and Janet Estrella. Now it's time for me to acknowledge, of course, the little hands or the kids that helped our newlyweds, the bearers and the flower girls. Our ring bearer, Gabriel Kim Celis Estrella. Our coin bearer, Raven Mark Olino. Our Bible bearer, Kirby Estrella. And our flower girls, Krisa Angeline Mahaba, Buding Olino, and Sophia Joy Maglaki. Palakpakan naman po natin.